Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 3 of application of percentage. Coming to the 7th sum, Mr. Tandon purchased a computer for 32,000 and a microwave oven for 6,500. On computer he lost 5% and on microwave oven he gained 15%. Find his total gain or loss percent. Like the earlier sum, here also separately you have to find out the SP, isn't it? So write computer and the other microwave oven. Now he purchased a computer, means CP of the computer is 32,000 and microwave oven purchased CP is equal to 6,500. On computer he lost, means loss percent is 5%. On microwave he gained, means profit percent is 15%. Find his total gain or loss percent. So for that we have to find out the SP. Isn't it? Like the earlier sum, the same method. Find the SP of both and add the CP of both, add the SP of both and then compare. So put the formula SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100, and here it will be SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. So first only write the values and then put the formula and keep. Now put the values. 32,000 into 100 minus 5 upon 100. 32,000 into 100 minus 5, 95 upon 100, 20 cut. So now you have to multiply and see. Okay, 95 into 320. So 0, then 32 into 95, you will get 3040. So you will get the answer 30,400. That is SP of the computer. 32 into 95. Do it and then 0. Now on the microwave oven, put the value 6500 into 100 plus 15 upon 100. It is 6500 into 115, isn't it? 100 plus 15 upon 100, 20 cut. Now multiply 65 into 115. You will get the answer 7475. Multiplication, that calculation you have to do. Now you got the SP for both. Now to find out the total gain or loss percent on the overall transaction, write total CP of the computer. How much is it? 32,000. Of a microwave oven, 6,500. So you'll get rupees 2 zeros, 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 6 8 and 3. Now total SP, that is rupees 30,400 plus 7,475. 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 7, 7, 4 plus 4, 8, 0 plus 7, it is 7 and 3. You got 37,875. Now CP, SP, which is greater? CP is greater, isn't it? So CP is greater than SP, therefore loss is equal to CP minus SP. I'm sorry. It is a 38,500 minus 37,875. It's a 10 minus 5, 5, 9 is remaining, 9 minus 7 is 2, 4, 14 minus 8 is 6, now 7 minus 7, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. You will be getting 625 loss. Now you have to find out the loss or gain percent. So loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. That is, loss is 625 upon CP, 38,500 into 100, 2020 cut. Now 5 ones are 1 remain, 5 twos are 5 remains, 2 remains, 5s are 5 125s are 625, 5 7s are 35, again 3 remains, 5 7s are 35. So you got 125 upon 77. No further cancellation. So if you write in the mixed form, it will be 148 upon 77%, or it will be 1.62%. This also you can keep, otherwise mixed or in the decimal form. So answer, Mr. Tandon loss percent is 148 upon 77%, or 1.62%. Is it clear? This was easy, but it is a lengthy sum. So for computer and oven, CP and loss, CP and profit percent are given. So find out the SP, then add CP and add the SP, find out whether it is loss or profit, then find out the loss percent. Okay. Now coming to the last sum, Mr. A sells a bicycle to Mr. B at a profit of 20%, and Mr. B sells it to Mr. C at a profit of 25%. If Mr. C pays rupees 1,500, what did Mr. A pay for it? So like the earlier question that Ranjan, Vineet, Mukesh, the same way, but here it is the reverse. So here A, B and C. Okay. Mr. A sells, that is SP. He sells a bicycle to Mr. B at a profit percent of 20%. You don't know. Okay. And Mr. B sells it to Mr. C. You don't know. He sells at a profit of 25%. But now Mr. C pays, means he paid to B rupees 1,500, means he bought from B, isn't it? That means CP is rupees 1,500. Is it clear? He bought it from B, that is why it will be CP for a C. समझ में आ गया? A B को एक साइकिल को 20% में बेचता है और B 25% में उसको C को बेचता है. कहीं भी सेलिंग प्राइस बोले नहीं है, लेकिन अभी बोले हैं लास्ट में C B को कितना पैसा दिया? 1,500. तो C B को पैसा दिया है, मतलब वो साइकिल को खरीदा है, मतलब CP ऑफ द साइकिल फॉर C इज रुपीज 1,500. ये B से खरीदा तो B C को बेच दिया, तो 1,500 इसका SP हो गया. B C को बेच दिया, sold मतलब that will be the SP, and the C he purchased, that is why CP. Is it okay? अभी इधर का SP, इधर जो भी CP हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे, ये SP और प्रॉफिट परसेंट लेकर CP फाइंड आउट करेंगे, तो इसका SP बनेगा. ठीक है? उधर हम CP फाइंड आउट करते थे, इधर आप लोग क्या SP फाइनल SP हमें फाइंड आउट करने का है. चल, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड B को लेकर. SP कितना मिला? रुपीज 1,500. प्रॉफिट परसेंट कितना है? 25%. Okay, find out CP, that is SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent, that is 1,500 into 100 upon 100 plus 25, that is 1,500 into 100 upon 125. 25 के टेबल में 4 जा 25, 5 जा 5 1 जा 5 3 जा and 2 zeros. So 3 4s are 12 and 2 zeros. So you got CP of the bicycle for B. It will be rupees 1,200. So he bought from A at rupees 1,200. That means A he sold. So it will be selling price for A. Now take this A, it is SP for A, rupees 1,200, and profit percent is 20%. Find out the CP. SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. SP is 1,200, 100 upon 100 plus 20, that is 1,200. 100 upon 100 plus 20, 120. 10 cut, 12 ones are 12 tens are, that is rupees 1,30,000. So here CP is rupees 1,000. This is the answer. Answer Mr. A pays ₹1,000 for the bicycle. Mark this question also. It's tricky, isn't it? What did Mr. A pay for it? That is, he paid. खरीदने के वक्त वो कितना पैसा दिया? That is CP. So once again we will recollect. Mr. A sells a bicycle to Mr. B at a profit of 20%, and Mr. B sells it to Mr. C at a profit percent of 25%. Now C pays 1,500 for it. C pays to B 1,500. वो B को पैसा दिया, मतलब वो खरीदा, तो दैट इज वाई CP. लेकिन B उसको बेच दिया, he sold, that is why it will be the same amount will be the SP for B. So taking the values, SP is equal to 1,500, 25% profit percent, find out the CP for B. जो CP B को है, मतलब जो पैसे वो खरीदा वो A के लिए SP बनता है, क्योंकि A उसको बेच दिया है. So the CP for B, that is the 1,200, it will be SP for A. So taking SP to be 1,200 and profit percent 20%, find out the CP, that is the money paid by A to purchase the bicycle. This sum also you have to do 2 or 3 times. You will be confident. You have to understand the concept. Why? एक आदमी के लिए, देखो, द सेलर के लिए वो सोल्ड, लेकिन जब हम खरीदते हैं देन इट इज CP. ठीक है, वैसे आप लोग अंडरस्टैंड करो, फिर इजी होगा. ओके, बाय, थैंक यू.